Okay, this is part 2 of English 7 for March 23rd. Okay, we're going to go over the answers real quickly. Number 4 is where we left off. He obtained his name from his skill in buffalo hunting. From his skill is an adverb phrase. In buffalo hunting is an adjective. Buffalo Bill could bring down a buffalo with a single shot. With a single shot tells us how he could bring it down. It's an adverb. In 1883, Bill began his famous Wild West show. In 1883, it's a prepositional phrase that tells us when, so it's an adverb phrase. Number 7, his show, which included Indians and sharpshooters, traveled in the United States and to Europe. In the United States tells us where he traveled, so it's an adverb phrase. To Europe tells us where he traveled, so it is also an adverb phrase. This hunter of buffaloes from the American West became well known in many parts of the world. Of buffaloes tells us is an adjective telling us what kind of hunter. Here's a clue. Most of the time when you see a prepositional phrase that starts with of, not always, but most of the time, it's going to be an adjective, okay? Next, from the American West is also an adjective. In many parts is an adverb, and of the world is an adjective, okay? Buffalo Bill traveled with his show and managed it. With his show is an adverb phrase. He finally retired to his ranch on the plains of Wyoming. To his ranch is an adverb. On the plains is an adjective. That is an adjective because it describes the ranch. To his ranch tells us where he retired. On the plains tells us about the ranch. Which ranch? The ranch on the plains. And of Wyoming is an adjective also telling us which plains. Okay, look at exercise C. There are 2 prepositional phrases in each sentence. Draw a circle around the phrase and mark it as an adjective or an adverb. Draw an arrow to the word that the phrase modifies. The whales are the largest species of creatures that exist on Earth. The first prepositional phrase is of creatures. Of creatures describes the species. Okay, since species is a noun, of creatures is an adjective phrase. The second prepositional phrase is on Earth. On Earth tells me where they exist. So therefore, on Earth is an adverb phrase. Whaling developed among the Basques in the 1200s. Among the Basques is what? It's a prepositional phrase telling us where it developed. So it is an adverb phrase describing developed. In the 1200s tells us when it developed. So it is also an adverb phrase also describing developed. I want you to do 3 through 9 in just a few moments on your own. I then want you to look at exercise D. Exercise D says write 5 sentences containing adjective phrases. Then write 5 sentences containing an adverb phrase. Each of these phrases will, number 1, be a prepositional phrase. Okay? It should describe either a noun or a pronoun, if it's an adjective. It'll describe your verb or an adjective or another adverb if it is an adverb phrase. Now, most of yours are going to describe your adverbs. I understand most of those phrases are going to describe your verb, and that's fine. I want you to do 1 through 5 as the 5 sentences for your adjectives. A prepositional phrase that's going to describe a noun or a pronoun. I want you to do 6 through 10 as sentences that contain a prepositional phrase that serves as an adverb. It is very important that you do both sections. You're going to need this when you take your online quiz. Do your work, then take your quiz today.